Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the paddle switch, working connection and where we use the paddle switch in detail. If you are new in our YouTube channel, simply subscribe our YouTube channel, press the bell icon so that you could get the latest notification for CNC products. Link in the description below, please check it out, right? So now the question is that what is paddle switch and where we use it? The paddle switch, mainly where we use it where operators both hands are busy while working, okay, and it is used for the on-off purpose, right? And mainly we say it a paddle switch or foot switch, we also say it because it is operated by the foot. Are you getting my points? Now where we use it, so there are many applications of the paddle switch. Let's suppose your press machine or CNC press machine or turning machine you will have seen like in your industry, so there we can use the paddle switch. Please let me in the comments box more application of this paddle switch. Are you getting my points, what I want to say? So as the name consists, this paddle switch is also known as the foot switch, right? So why we say the foot switch? Because we can simply operate it by foot. Here you can see simply, so by your foot you can simply operate it. Are you getting my point? So if I talk about its internal structure or so it is a mechanical cum electrical, right? The electrical connection within it, okay, there is a switch we use, right? And that switch is very small as compared to your limit switch or micro switch. Now simply the construction is, or the mechanism is like that, by your mechanical and electrical action it operates. Are you getting my points? Now if you will see simply this switch, okay, this is a 10 ampere switch. Can you let me in the comments box which type of switch is this and why we use mainly switch, micro switch or simply switch? Why we use it? Because it gives us the extra NONC for the same, right? And for the switching purpose we use it, right? Same we are doing here in our paddle switch. There is a micro switch which is a very small, that we are using for the controlling purpose, you can say, or for the switching purpose. Are you getting my points? Now let's understand about the let's understand now about the wiring. Okay, here is the 3 wires. Now let's understand about it. Now this blue one is my NC or dead wire, you can say. This white one here you can say simply this wire one is a common wire, and this red one is my NO. Okay, are you getting my points? Now with respect to the white wire, this blue wire is my NC and the red one or the red wire is my NO, right? When it will be at home position, means when the operator will not press it, so what will happen, that the supply will go through the blue one, and when it will press, so the supply will go, or we will get the supply from the red wire. Are you getting this point? Now we will simply open this. Okay, here you can see that there is a rod which will not by which it will not open. Got it my point? This is for the safety purpose. Now we will simply open it and we will check it out that what is within this paddle switch. Are you getting my point? So first of all, what I'll do, I'll simply remove this rod. Here you can simply see, okay, this protect your paddle switch, right, to being open. Are you you can say like that. Now within it there is a one spring. Now why this spring is used? Because with the help of this spring, when you will press it and when you just remove your foot, so it will come at the initial position by this switch or spring, right? And here you can see that this is my micro switch, okay, which open or close by the mechanical action. And here these 3 are the terminals, okay, for your white, red and blue one. Are you getting my point? So that's how within this paddle switch is nothing, only these parts are there. Okay, now what I'll do, simply I'll pack this paddle switch, okay, and we will discuss about the connections and all. Are you getting my point? So I hope okay. So now let's talk about the connection, right? So we can simply control our contactor relay with this paddle switch. Are you getting my point? So simply you can do that very easily, and you can also, here you can see that I have a direct online starter or dual starter, so you can also connect your paddle switch with this dual starter as well. Okay, here you can see that you can do that, and you can also connect with your contactor as well. So now here what we will do, we will simply connect this with our contactor. Okay, so for this what I'll do, this white one, that is a common one, okay, I'll give the supply directly to it. Now this red one, that was our NO wire. So what I'll do, simply I'll connect that wire to the my A1 terminal of the contactor. Okay, here I am not giving the holding, so you can also give the holding here as well. Okay, no problem. Now for this contactor we will have to also give the neutral. Are you getting my point? So what I'll do here, I'll simply give the neutral directly. Okay, so here this is my direct neutral which I'll give here. So what I'll do, I'll simply connect this neutral at the A2 terminal. Okay, A2 terminal of my contactor, right? Are you getting my point? So that's how we will do the connection here. Now what, the only one wire remains, okay, for the connection, that is your white wire, right? So the white wire, I'll simply connect that wire to the my direct supply, and to my direct supply I'll connect it. So you will see that your connection has been done. Okay, now simply what I'll do, I'll simply on the power. Now if I simply press this paddle switch, so what will happen, that my contactor will be on. So simply you can see here my contactor has been off as I open it, okay, and as I press it. So when I'll press it, so my contactor will be on, and as I'll just remove my foot or hand from here, so my contactor will be off, right? So this is the disadvantage right now. As you can say, it is same as your NO push button, right? So in our NO push button, what we do, we simply give the like main supply here, and the output of that we connect to the A1. So what will happen, that as I'll press my NO push button, so it will be on, okay, and as I'll simply remove it, so what will happen, that it will be off. Same will be done here. So what is the application of it? The application is that, see here in the picture, as I'll press this paddle switch, so what will happen, that like it will be on. Okay, let's suppose your stock will be within, like let's suppose to your main desire, okay, where it has to go. And as my work has been done, so simply I'll remove my foot, or my, let's suppose my foot I'll remove. So what will happen, that now it will be off, okay, and it will go away from your main like desired product or your system. Are you getting my point? So that's how this paddle switch work. Okay, and same, what you have to do, you have to do nothing, you have to simply press it. When you will press it, in our case my contactor will be on, okay, and then my contactor will be closed as I'll just simply remove my foot from here. Are you getting my points? So that's how we use here my paddle switch. Okay, so if you have any doubt in this video, please let me in the comments box your doubt, so that I could simply like clear your doubts here. Okay, link in the description of the CNC products, please check it out. Okay, because you always message us that sir, we are not getting the CNC products. So now the CNC products are also available in India. So thanks for watching.